Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, guys. So if you are facing the same problem I'm facing, Google Play services keep stopping and it's very annoying problem, and this message keep popping up and it not let you do anything. So let's solve this problem, and the solution of this problem is very easy. I have tried few videos on YouTube and it's not working, so I have my own solution. So let's jump to the solution. To solve this problem, first of all, go to the setting option of your mobile menu, and in here you will see the apps menu, and open it and just go to the Google Play Services option, and here you have to write down and note the Google Play Services version and complete version, and you have to just write down it and just search it on any browser. I have my UC browser, so I open it and search that particular version of Google Play Services, and I have just found this on this link, that particular version. Just open it and that link and download this, and after downloading just install it. After installation you are good to go. You can do whatever you want and you don't have that popping up that annoying error again. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.